We'll guide you through how to make glitch transition After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import your clips from your computer into the project panel. After the clips have been imported, place the clips on the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Slightly overlap the ending of the first clip with the beginning of the second clip so the transition can happen between them. Once the clips are arranged, select the top clip in the timeline by clicking it. After selecting the clip, go to the Effects and Presets panel. Click the search field in that panel and search for Displacement Map. When the effect appears in the list, apply it to the selected clip by dragging it onto the layer. After applying the effect, open its settings and add keyframes to horizontal displacement and vertical displacement. Move the playhead to the start of the transition and create the first keyframes. Then move the playhead forward and increase the displacement values to create distortion. Continue adjusting the values quickly so the clip shifts in different directions and creates a glitch effect. Next, add an RGB split effect by using shift channels. Apply shift channels to the same clip, then change the channel settings to separate the colors. Offset the color channels slightly so the red, green, or blue edges become misaligned. This creates a digital glitch look. After that, add the noise effect to the clip. Increase the noise amount until grain appears on the image. Add keyframes to the noise effect so it changes quickly during the transition. Use sudden increases and decreases to create a fast flicker appearance. Preview the transition by playing the timeline from the beginning of the overlap. Watch carefully to make sure the glitch happens smoothly between both clips. Adjust any keyframes or cuts if needed. Once everything looks correct, add the composition to the render queue. Check the output settings if needed, then click Render to export the final video. Your glitch transition is complete.